Okay, now, in this example here, we're dealing with a general trinomial, and we're trying to factor this thing out. So now here's where we're going to deal with, again, the factors of 4 and the factors of -3. Now, -3, again, both of these have to be positive because, well, if we take 4 times -3, okay, we get -12. Okay, now, again, we're going to look for the positive factors of 4x squared. Okay? And so again, we can split the x both. I mean, we have to split the x between the two factors, right? But 4 can be factored in different ways. So if we look at 4, we could have 1 and 4 or 2 and 2. Right? And now, if we look at the 3, right? The only possible constant factors are going to be 1 and 3. Okay? And the negative sign tells us that these factors have different signs. Okay? And so, -3 gives us either 1 and -3 or -3 and 1. And so this gives us many different combinations to work with. And so if we look at these, how do you figure out which numbers to use and in which order? Because like here, you've got to use 1 or -3, 3 and 1, and you've got different combinations. And so what we end up with are 6 different ways of writing these, okay? Because you could have 4x plus 3 and x minus 1, right? So you could have 4x minus 3 and 4x plus 1. That's 1. You could have 4x plus 1 and x minus 3. Right? So you could flip these, so it'll be right? You could have those. You could also have x minus 3, x plus 1, or excuse me, 4x minus 3, x plus 1. Oh wait, I already did that one. Hold on a second. Oh, I could have 4x plus 3, and then x minus 1, right? So I can flip the signs, okay? And I can have x plus 3 and 4x minus 1. Okay, so there are those 4. And then I've got the last 2, which deals with 2x, right? And those only give us 2 because I've got 2x times 2x and 2x times 2x. And since these are all the same, it's either going to be 1, -3 or -1, 3. So in this case here, it's either going to be 2x plus 1, 2x minus 3, or 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 3. And here's the thing, is like, we got to figure out which ones are going to give us the middle terms, okay? And so we got to figure this out. So the only way to figure it out is to multiply the inside and the outside, okay? That's what gives us the middle terms. Multiply the insides and the outside, add them together. So this is going to give us what? And I'm only going to do the middle terms. I'm not doing any of the others because that's the important thing, okay? All of these will give us this and this on the ends, okay? It's the middle terms. So we do 4x plus -3x. This one gives us -12 and 1. This one gives us -4 and 3. This one gives us 12 and -1. 12 and -1. This one gives us 4, oops, excuse me, wrong ones. 2 and -6. And this one gives us -2 and +6. And so we just got to add the coefficients and see which pair of coefficients gives us +4. Well, this one doesn't, this one doesn't, this one doesn't, this one doesn't, this one doesn't. Ah, that one does. So it's going to be -2 and 6. So -2 and 6 gives us that this is going to be what? It's going to be these factors. Oh, we're done. So the factors are, I should say, 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 3. Okay? And so again, that is a trial and error type of method, right? So let's go on and talk more. See you next time.